Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave forecast chart of the day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 30th of July around 10:56 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go with another chart of the day video. Chart of the day, as I always say, is a session in Elliott Wave forecast in which we go and every single day we present right here an instrument in which we explain the short-term view of the instrument, the 1 and the 4 hour. We cover 78 instruments every single day in 4 different time frames. And the members, they have an easy way to navigate the site. For example, today, charts of the day gonna be the Dow Jones future. They go to the charts of the day here. They look for indices, Dow Jones, and they're gonna have all the different views of the Dow Jones, right? Very nice, very straightforward. For example, this is the view over the weekend. We were calling higher and lower. That's the weekend of day. They can see all the details here on the charts. So let's jump into the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is very interesting. I tell you the truth. Why? Because the Dow Jones is showing from the peak that we're labeling as a wave one, a channel, a pullback, another channel here with a lot of overlapping, cannot be a wave three, a pullback in 3 waves right here, and then another channel. Technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swings. Every time that you see an Elliott wave, a number 5, that means continuation of that direction in the continuation of that trend in the direction of the 5. So the Dow Jones here, it has 2 ways to come down. It has a way, which is what we're labeling here, that is going to do it now a 6 swing and a 7 swing. That is called right here a WXY. A, B, C, W, X, A, B, C, Y. And a WXY, the Dow Jones, is finishing the B way or the 6 swing over here. That's what we are presenting to members today. But the number 5 also can result in a complex connector or X way. Right here I did 3. It can result in a complex connector. And then it can do something like this. You got 1, 2, 3, and then you do a flat as a connector. 3, 3, and 5. In that case, we look at it over here. This was a simple connector. But from here, the Dow Jones can rally and becomes a flat as an X. And it still will be ending being a WXY. But the Dow Jones, it has a chance right here that the Dow Jones gonna do this early next week, right? It's gonna rally here, and the Dow Jones is gonna resort the 5 waves in this way. At this moment, today, it's too early to call the flat structure. The short cycles right here, it looks like, honestly, it looks a little bit tricky. It can be doing something that I call the devil structure in Elliott Wave, which is that it did a flat in the connector here, and then the Dow Jones is gonna break higher, do something like this, put back next week, and rip higher. The key is to see how this develop. If it develop like this as a 5, then the Dow Jones sometimes next week is gonna do 5 wave from 729. It's gonna retest the highest and turn lower again, and more shopping is gonna end in being in the market. The natural path is the WXY that is gonna put it over here, into 51,182, a bounce, and most likely more downside. So the Dow shouldn't be bought at this level. The Dow is gonna resolve lower, and that's our view of the Dow Jones and the two possible outcomes due to the number 5 coming from here. If you look over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This swing is gonna happen either this way or even if it develop the connector in a flat like it is over here. We might be ending this and the Dow is gonna rally, but then it's gonna turn lower and then it's gonna take this path. Let's see what the market makes. One for this market, but a downside is not over yet. Have a good night, everyone. If you like the video, you understand, and you like the way that we explain the market, join us. $9.99, 99 cents for 14 days is our trial. Have a good night, everyone.